But once the baby's born, they're never too young to be read to. And they love the sound of your voice. Some of the best things you can read to a nursing baby are the A.A. Milne poems. Now, we are 6, and when we were very young. A.A. Milne poetry, and just the rhythm and the rhyme and the pattern. Reading to your babies. And then keeping in mind that toddlers don't want anyone to read to them. They want to do it to you. So instead of sitting and droning on through a book, you put the toddler on your lap always, lots of skin to skin, lots of touch, and you say, "Where's the duck? What's the boy doing? How many elephants are there?" And you're letting your toddler read to you so that they have ownership instead of you boring them to tears. If you have a lot of children, always keeping in mind that maybe you let each child pick a picture book, and then the child who picked the book is who sits on your lap during the reading of that, so that everybody knows they're going to have a turn and they're going to have that skin to skin and they're going to be held. If you only have one, small child, that makes it easy. And also, don't rule out your older children reading to your younger children. Some homeschool families have very large families. When I consult with them, they're always concerned that they're not giving the same attention to their babies as they gave to their first and second born children. And I say, yes, but God makes up for that, because now your children have 8 or 9 parents because all their siblings are raising them. And so letting your older children read to your younger children, which is just marvelous because it bonds your kids together and nobody's losing out. It's a win-win.